Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Today let's see how to make tomato rice. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard splutters, add half teaspoon of urad or black gram dal into it. Allow it to turn light golden brown in color. Once it changes color, add 4 to 6 curry leaves. Once the flavor of curry leaves blends with the oil and aroma spreads, add 1 chopped onion into it. Now add some green chili into it. You can add up to 1 whole green chili. Since I want very less spice, I am adding a small piece just for the flavor. Allow it to turn a golden brown in color. It's been 5 to 7 minutes. The onion has now caramelized well and nice. Now add about 2 chopped tomatoes. The measurement of onion and tomato has to be such that if you add one onion, you need to add 2 tomatoes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, pinch of asafoetida powder, and roast these masalas very well. You can add up to 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your spice requirement. Roast till the aroma starts to spread and mix it along with the tomatoes and continue cooking. Once the tomato is cooked and mashed well, we will add half cup of water. Half teaspoon of salt or salt as per your taste requirement. Bring it to a boil. Once it boils, close it with a lid. Slow the flame and cook it for about 5 minutes. After about 4 minutes, we get a gravy consistency of tomato toku. Switch off the flame. Add chopped coriander leaves, about half cup. Mix and keep it aside. Add about 1 cup of raw rice in boiling water. Wash the rice thoroughly in cold water and then add it to the boiling water. Bring the rice to a boil. I have used a long rice. You can use any rice for this preparation. Once it is boiled, continue cooking it. Stir in between so that the rice do not stick to the pan. After about 10 minutes, the rice will be cooked. Just check them by pressing the grain in between your fingers. If it is mashed easily, it means the rice is cooked well. Switch off the flame and drain off the rice. Now, in a bowl or a wok, spread the cooked rice. Now, layer the tomato toku over the rice. Gently mix it. Delicious tomato rice is ready to be served. Tomato rice is a South Indian delicacy. I hope you like this video and do try it out. Please do subscribe to veenaskitchen.com for more videos. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye.